Did you put it someplace? No. All right, what is this? What is what? All right, very funny. I get it. Come on. Go back here.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy. And pay me what I'm owed, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah.
Yo, what's happening?
Hey, where you at?
Shit, I'm over here by the crib.
Bet. You wanna meet me at that little spot I was telling you about?
Yeah, I'll be there in 10.
Alright, be back. See you in a minute.
Bet.
Alright, YouTube, I just tried to do something different with today's video. If you guys like this type of style of video, please let me know, and we'll see if I can keep making these. I switched over to film a little bit more recently, as you can see I shot in the video. So over on the computer here, most of these photos here I didn't really obviously have to edit because they were mostly just film. I just went in on some of these and just made the blacks a little darker, just so they stand out a little more. And that was pretty much it. I'll make today's video a little bit short and sweet because my allergies are going crazy and I can barely stand to sit here. But if you guys like it, let me know. Like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.